So we are going to create a simple chatbot that we can embed onto a WordPress website. So the main thing here is the trigger, which is on chat message. So we add that first. Then to this, we add our AI agent. And in this case, it's an AI agent, but you could have any workflow that's connected to an on chat message to be able to turn into a chatbot. So let's do an AI agent, and let's quickly give it a open router chat model and a memory. We don't need tools for this. This is just a demo. Make sure we save. Then if you open chat and you say hi, you should get a reply. So there you go. So we know our bot is working. So now what we want to do is make sure we save and then make this active. That's very important, otherwise this flow will not work. What we do next is we double click into when chat message received, and then make sure make chat publicly available is toggled on. From here you'll get a endpoint. I can come over here and put in my browser. What you'll notice is it gives me a 404 error. So there's some other setting change that we need to enable. So if we come back here, under options, you need to allow cause. By default, it is star, meaning that any domain can access this chatbot. For security reasons, you would probably want to make this your own domain. So only the chatbot can only respond when it is embedded onto your web page. So let's hit save. Let's come back here and refresh. And now you'll see that the chatbot is active. So we can say hello, and then we should get a reply. So there we go, our chatbot is working. However, this is a standalone page. We do not want a standalone page. We want to have this embedded into our WordPress website. So what we do is we come back here, double click on when chat message received again, and we change the hosted chat to embedded chat. Now, nothing changes on the page, except now there's a link here. So let's click that link. And if you scroll down, it'll give you a snippet of code that you can use to embed. So we can grab this code and we can go to our WordPress site. Now what we need to do is inside of our functions.php, we need to embed this code. So as you can see, I've already got a shell for this. So function add N8n Chatbot script, and then the location. So it's adding it to the footer. So all I do is I paste my code in here, and you'll notice here it says your production webhook URL. So what I need to do is go back to my chatbot and then copy this link and simply paste it right here and save. So now what we'll notice is if we go to our page, you will now see a chatbot and it's active. So we can talk to it here. And there we go. So we now have a chatbot that is linked to N8n, and it should be fully functional on all pages of your site.